G, I think we got one.
I need your lifestyle. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't play with me. Dale.
Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Pull up in the MRT. Put that little bitch on E. Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me. Pull up in the MRT. Never nigga hard as me. Never nigga hard as me. What's up, cool? I didn't check gang. Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm back with another video. If y'all new to this, if y'all new to my channel, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and run the like buttons up for me. In today's video, man, I'm getting my motor mounts done. Getting my motor mounts done today, man. I got some power torque motor mounts. You know, my car got so much torque. The motor mounts that I got on there now, they already worn out, so basically through the winter, I'll be getting everything I gotta do out the way. Cause I got a small exhaust leak. And like I said, I'm getting the motor mounts out the way. Also gotta get my brakes done. You know, also, you know, always talking about that for the side fender. You know, just basically preparing my car so when the summer comes, I'll do the real big mods, like far as the headers and cam and all that. So right now I'm just getting all the small stuff out the way. If y'all need any work done too, man, hit up my boy. He got his own mobile mechanic business going on. I'll put his Instagram in the video. Y'all want to check him out. Turn on y'all post notification bells too, man, so y'all be notified each time I post. It's cool. I need your lifestyle on Instagram and YouTube. So basically, yeah, we're getting the motor mounts done. This is how they look. These the motor mounts. So y'all can check out his Instagram right here. macksautoandperformance. We do plenty of work, so he official. Y'all go check my boy out. Getting them power torques on, man. So basically right now, well, he can explain a little bit better what he about to do.
Oh yeah, so right now we about to lift this motor up just a little bit to relieve a little tension off the motor mounts that's on there already. But after that, I done already took the top two bolts off right there, and that's a size 13. You know, with the ratchet set, or whatever you want to call it. And after that, it's a size 16 on these two bolts right here. I should be able to snake it out the back, coming out the back side of this driver's side header. We should be able to get to it. I know the passenger side might be a little more difficult because you got the frame right there, trying to access these two bolts right there, but we should be able to get it though.
All right, y'all heard it from the man. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, he finally got like 3 screws out. He on the last one. He about to drop it down pretty soon. So I'll pick the camera back up when he bringing it down.
Lately, I've been booking trips.
Stay tuned.
I'm gonna tell you a little story. Lately, I've been booking trips. Lately, I've been taking trips. I just been thinking I'm wanting a ship. I just been thinking I'm owning a ship. Counting up bitches on me to have fun. Sipping on Henny in and out the country. Push that Henny, disappear in 20. Push that Henny, disappear in 20. Now I ain't really, I fire that too. Now I been shining weed out my jewelry. Ain't got time for none of that food. Want my crib looking like a gallery. Sign myself, play with less shit money. Sign myself, play with less shit salary. I'm at the T's and it's gotta be blue. I'm at the T's and it's gotta be blue. I don't do new niggas in my crew. Wish you could see the world through my view. Won't say I told you, but deja vu. The stream my songs out of Peru. At a revenue like it's past due. I'ma turn up, this house gon' be life for the geek, yeah, BCG. I don't play meek, so watch how you speak. I don't do answers, don't question me. Been myself while they hating on me, and only forgot what I dropped to my knees. I don't trust nobody but my best. Been official referee, been so official referee. Open my wallet in, it's all out. All the seats, yeah, all the seats. Cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released, cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released, cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released, cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released, cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released, cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released, cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released, cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released.
Hey, and it's all right there, and it's all right there. And I got this here, ayy. I won't find the things, diamond rings, and all the hoes singing my songs. And I know I'm one of the hottest niggas, they all singing along. But AI, ayy, play the game like AI. Hit his head, that's red eye. These niggas ain't really that hot. And we just want the cream, you not in our league, man. You need to play it safe. Everything just gonna be okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it sing. Yeah, you got
I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. He just released, cause I'm away to heaven, but ain't released. I'm away to heaven, but ain't released.
So he told me about this when they accelerating, that it's, you know, he can hear a loud boom and whatnot. He can also feel it somewhat like the engine jump, but you can obviously see this bad motor mount.
Yeah.
Compared to the new one.
Oh my gosh.
Compared to this one.
Most definitely, man. Most definitely needed my motor mount, man. Like I said, man, y'all hit my boy up, man. He'll get you right. Yes, sir.
I was gonna say, you wanna do a thumbnail picture?
Oh yeah. So y'all can see my motor mounts were gone. When they do like this, when you hear that thing shake like that, man, that ain't no good. Look how loose this thing is. Yeah. Every time I hit the gas, I hear a big thump. And you can tell, look at the new one. No shake, no nothing. I want to see how the other side go look, cause it's on the driver's side and the passenger side. So we just changed the driver's side first, and this thing is in bad shape. Look at the bottom of it. And this the new one. Good shape. And I'm pretty sure the car will perform better too. So, y'all stay tuned, man. Turn on y'all post notification bell. So I'll be doing all these. I'll be doing all these little small little things to the car, you know, preparing my car so when I do the stronger mods, my car will be able to take it. And like I said, I got the small little I got a small exhaust leak. I'm getting the motor mounts done. Next week I'm gonna get my brakes done. So I'm gonna get all the little small stuff out of the way, and then also in between, you know, I'm gonna still be going like the car meets and stuff as well. So y'all putting on the other one on now, the driver's side.
Tighten down.
You just tighten everything down, everything already put in. It's the old one. No good. No bueno. Yes sir, man. Gonna start on the other side pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned to the channel.
This the kid, yeah. I'm a god, don't need a blood. When I leave, Lil Bazi get sucked. Pay full price, don't do no fraud. Come with beef, I heat the rut. Got that, make it go back. Go spaz back up on impact. That's full price, don't do no fraud. I'm a god, don't need a plug. Got the squad logo with the cause. They wanted to play, I'm in it to win it. I know you hate me cause of my bliss. Today I got time, I'ma be a little messy. At the store, I'm spending plenty. You ain't designer, what you want, spaghetti. Sent too close, straight, you spaghetti. Like 13 machines been ready. Chevy loaded riding real heavy. How you scared but full of envy. The new ones off, they my titty. They feeling stacking up some pennies. I'm in my yard, burning up by 20. Call up and he owe it.
You on the camera, right? Give it to him.
So you got it right there. And this passenger side, so easy to snake on out of there. And boom. You see that's where it mount up at, right here. That's a close up. So it ain't no real wrong way to put it in. It's pretty much a right way. It's almost like an oval diamond shape. And you can see those two right there is where it bolts into the engine block, right below the header or exhaust manifold. But you see, the problem is, the reason it takes so long a little bit is trying to get past this firewall. You see that gap right there? That's very tight. So you gotta, you know, snake it, finagle it, shake it, do whatever you gotta do to slide it out, but tilt it up and you should be able to get it out. The first bolt from right there.
So the passenger side is still good, but I'm gonna change it anyways, you know what I'm saying, just to play it safe. But there was the driver's side, I can tell. You know what I'm saying? There was the passenger side. I'm just changing anyways, it's gonna be wearing it already, you know what I'm saying, worn out anyway.
When I get the type, it is a win-win-win. Where's money? I need talent, period. Calculator game real crazy. English days are going real steady. Every beat poppin', they cheer it. You at your heels, not even my knee. Monster woke up, walk my tree. I'm up pushing past the mark. Tryna set myself up free. Tryna set myself up free. I'm a god, don't need a plug. When I leave Lil Vegas up. Fake full price, don't do no fraud. You come with beef, I heat the rod. Got the make it go back. That's back up on impact. Got the make it go back. That's back up on impact. Got the make it go back. That's back up on impact. I'm a god, don't need a plug. When I leave Lil Vegas up. That's full price, don't do no fraud. That's full price, don't do no fraud. I'm a god, don't need a plug.
That's crazy too, because while he was down there, he seen that I was missing the screw for my brake caliper. Like one of my brake caliper screw was missing. So I ran to O'Reilly real quick and grabbed that. I was wondering what that noise was. Every time I hit like a pothole, it was like a rattling sound. And that's what it was. The screw was missing from the brake caliper. And that was dangerous too. And this the old one. It slid right out. That's crazy. Yeah, but he finishing up, putting up the last motor mount from the passenger side, tightening everything down, putting the cover back on it, and he should be dropping it down real soon. I picked the camera back up after that, putting everything on. Roll the car back down. I'm finna do like a couple of like pulls and test runs right quick. See how everything came out. Test run to see how if it well, I know for a fact it's good. I just want to do, you know what I'm saying, a couple pulls, see how it runs. I can tell the difference. It's not knocking no more. There you go. So take it on the main road. Turn on the main road. Alright, y'all, man. I could tell the big difference, man, with the motor mount swap, man. Thanks to my boy, man. Shout your channel on your Instagram up.
Y'all can just follow me at macksautoandperformance on Instagram. And I'm pretty much a mobile mechanic down here in Georgia. So just hit me up.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end out this video right here, man. Just change my motor mounts. So y'all stay tuned. Turn y'all post notification bell so y'all be notified each time I post. See y'all in the next one.
Really made.
They got me slipping. I keep it out with me. You know I'm trying to get it.
They catch me slipping, I keep an AR with me. I'm trying to get it, like way up to the ceiling. Don't hit my line, and we ain't about no business. You ain't gotta tell me, they know I am the realest. They catch me slipping, I keep an AR with me. I'm trying to get it, like way up to the ceiling. Don't hit my line, and we ain't about no business. You ain't gotta tell me, they know I am the realest. Don't hit my line, way back.